Good morning students. Welcome back to our class. In the previous class, we discussed non-metallic minerals, their meaning and distribution. Today, we will study about mining. First of all, what is mining? The extraction of minerals from the earth's crust is called mining. Mining has been classified into two types based on the mode of occurrence and the nature of the ore. They are surface mining and underground mining. Surface mining. It is done by cleaning the vegetation and dirt on the land's surface along with the layers of bedrock to reach the ore deposits. It is the cheapest and easiest way of mining, which are close to the surface. The different techniques of surface mining include open pit mining. When minerals ores are located at a shallow depth, they are taken out by removing the surface. Quarrying. Minerals that are located very close to the surface are simply dug out. This method is called quarrying. The topsoil is removed in order to recover the minerals. Strip mining. In this method, surface layers are removed, stripped off to extract the ore underneath. Landfill mining. It is a method for recovering valuable materials, reclaiming land and mitigating air and water pollution. It is similar to surface mining, in which valuable minerals are recovered from the earth by removing soil and ore, followed by processing to concentrate the ore. Mountain top removal. In this method, the top of mountains are taken off to reach the ore deposits at the depth. Coal mining is commonly done through this method. Underground mining. Underground mining is done by digging deep under the earth's surface to reach the buried ore deposits. The ore are brought to the surface through tunnels and shafts. There are many underground chambers in shaft mine. Special care has to be taken as this method is risky. Every year there are numerous accidents occur due to floods, fire and subsidence of land. This method includes the various techniques like lifts, drills and ventilation system. So students, today we have learned about meaning of mining, types of mining and techniques of mining. If you have any kind of doubt related to this topic, you can ask your queries in the next interactive class. Thank you and have a nice day.